It's going to demonstrate how PDR works in a really simple way. Hopefully it will give you an idea of how it actually works and the massive benefits. You know, no filler, no paint. You imagine trying to paint that bonnet. You'd have to paint the bumper, you'd have to paint the wings, it'd be a body shop job. It'd cost you at least $500-600, maybe £1,000, depending on the colour of your car, probably even more. PDR is great. Hopefully this video will help you understand it a bit better. It's very straightforward then. It's just going to show you the process of how it's pushed out from the inside. Tool is put in underneath, there's the tool. Tool is put in underneath, and then it's hand-eye coordination to push the dent out. Right, so I've pushed most of the dent out, but you can see there's a little crown. We call it a crown or a smile. It's like a line. Can you see it slightly shaped it? There. This is where the impact, obviously, where the branch has fallen and hit the bonnet, and it causes like a ripple. Imagine throwing a stone into water, it has to ripple somewhere. And this is basically stretch. That needs to be tapped down, which is what the tapping down is for, and then I'll finish off doing the rest of the dent. See, there is still a bit of a shallow here in the middle. Just see it in the middle there. See that tiny, what is it, in effect a grey line. It's a bit like colouring in, so I'm going to put a slightly sharper tool in and finish that little grey shallow area off. Another reason you would tap down, so deliberately I've pushed a couple of highs here, so you can just see there's one here. Can you see? One tiny little high there and one down here. These are tiny little highs. If you ever see DIY jobs, you'll see these little pimples, we call them, and they're so exaggerated, they've stuck right through the metal and they look horrendous. It takes a lot of skill to just push like that and not go through the paint, and that's where all the training comes in. So I'm going to tap these two highs down.